And then come on if you're coming, somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go, somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow, somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the midst, bitch. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go, somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow, somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the midst, bitch. Exchange hugs and pounds before the throwdown. How it's gonna go down, ladies, niggas, slow down, slow down. Fuck all that planning shit. Run up in their cribs and make them cats abandon ship. See, niggas like you do 10-year bids, miss the nigga they want and murder innocent kids. Not I. One nigga's in my eyes, that's Jason. Ain't no slugs gonna be wasted. Revenge I'm tasting at the tip of my lips. I can't wait to feel my clip in his hips. Pass the chocolate, tie. Sing ain't lie. There's Jason with his back to me, talking to his faculty. I start to get a funny feeling. I put the mask on in case this nigga starts squealing. Scream his name out, squeeze 6, nothing shorter. This nigga turn around holding his daughter. Oh my God.
Murderous mind state, can't keep my nine straight. Sipping on this Hennessy, waiting for the time to break. Show up and motherfuckers bow down, recognize. West side death row, outlaw riders. Untouchable mob of pistol packers. Well-known fellas labeled for drug selling, merciless jackets. Forever buzz roll with thugs and dogs. Commence to letting off rounds, then escaping the fog. Bitches are plenty, sipping my glass full of Henny. Hands on my semi, automatic kill for pennies. Approach for contact, cause I'm live, I multiply. Soon as I open fire, niggas die with open eyes. Scared to take a nap, it's a trap, a long maze. Dreaming of getting stacks, making scratch the wrong way. What the song say, we murder motherfuckers daily. Blackout, blow the track out, blow the track out, blow the track out, blow the track out.
Que cómo, cuándo y dónde tú siempre me respondes. Quizá, quizá, quizá.
Check this out, hold up. I got you stuck off the realness. We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mob comes equipped for warfare. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share for all those who wanna profile and pose. Rock you in your face, stab your brain with your nose bone. You all alone in these streets, cousin. Every man for theyself in his land, we be gunning. And keep them shook crews running like they supposed to.
Who the fuck is this? Major me at 5:46 in the morning. Crack a dawning, now I'm yawning. Wipe the cold out my eye. See who's this paging me and why. It's my nigga Pop from the barber shop. Told me he was in the gambling spot. Heard the intricate plot. The niggas wanna stick me like fly paper. Slow down, love, please chill, drop, stay drop, stay drop, stay drop, stay drop.
Y yo desesperando y tú contestando. Quizás, quizás, quizás.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your